up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Welcome, hello, if you're new. My name is Les. This is Mike. This is Milo. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're always on an adventure and we always have a lot of fun. So hit that subscribe and the little bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. But yeah, welcome to a new video. We are off to Tucson, Arizona. We should just move to Arizona because I feel like we're there every other weekend. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go hit up one of our good friends, Stacy, and she's gonna take us off-roading this weekend on their. They have side-by-sides, which are like little ATVs, 4x4s, you know.
We're gonna hit some trails, hopefully shoot some guns if possible, and then Milo has his pit bull friend Prince out there that they are good friends with.
Yeah, so it should be an exciting weekend, and it's Mike's birthday weekend, so.
That's a bad thing about being born in August is anytime we take a vacation, it's always freaking hot. Unless we go to like a pool.
Because you always want to do hot stuff, so that's what we're doing.
Because we're fire.
Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Sit back, relax, grab your snacks, your drinks, and let's get this started. 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? So we're stuck in traffic for the past. We left at 1:30 to 3, 4, 5, 3.5 hours. Fucking traffic. What freeway was that?
We tried a different route this time, and either way, Friday traffic sucks. LA traffic sucks on Fridays. We're just screwed. 2.5 hours.
We were like on the 91 to something.
We went to
15.
Yeah, we went to.
Yeah, so we've been stuck in traffic. We're finally going at a speed of 75, and we just yelped a restaurant in Palm Desert, so we're gonna go pick up some food for dinner. And this is our scenario here. For the past fucking 5 months, we've been passing through this same area with the windmills.
But we got Willie's back, so this is actually a cooler trip now.
So we got our Jeep back, and
brand new engine.
The brand new engine, we're breaking it in. And people are like, where are y'all headed to? Oh, we're headed back to Arizona. Arizona in July? Y'all crazy. We're like, yeah.
Well, it's not going to be triple digits. It's actually supposed to have flash floods.
Yeah, it's like 91 degrees, rainy, and muggy.
So they say.
Muggy.
So they say, yeah.
So, wish us luck. Alright, so we found this Hawaiian restaurant. I got some beef with the sweet peppers. Comes with some coleslaw, some mac salad. Let me see what you got. And then you got some teriyaki chicken with some fried rice. Yum.
Good.
Alright, cheers. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's the next day, and we are packing up the side-by-side, heading out to the desert, to the trails. Well, we're actually in the desert, so we're heading out to trails. And it looks like we're all good to go. We're packed. So, but yeah, should be an exciting day. We're gonna get a couple of footages out there. It's gonna be a hot one, so I've got to dress with some long sleeves because it's gonna be super dusty. But yeah, excited to get there. Oh yeah.
And they have a drone. They do like video.
All right, so we just took a little ride here. I'm trying not to step on a rattlesnake. Oh shit. Oh shit.
When you're out here, watch out for rattlesnakes.
Yeah, I know. I was kind of freaked out about that. So this is Bill. Say hi, Bill. So
Hi, Bill.
My YouTube. My YouTube. We're out here hanging out because that's what we do in the heat.
Yeah, that's what we do. Drink beer.
Yeah. Cheers.
Pretty mellow, huh? Yeah. That's what I was telling her.
What's up, guys?
This road is here
Are
for...
you from
That's funny.
California?
Say hi. Yes.
Oh god.
James, you're on YouTube.
Say hi. And his goggles. That's like not taking your helmet off.
Yeah. Let's hope there's no snakes.
No. Look at this little swarm of gnats right here. Everything.
I see them every morning.
Everything and
Things in the morning, right after the rains.
So here, folks, we are looking at the mine. The mine
I
town.
had to see the numbers on the buildings.
Yeah.
I had a Wikipedia thing that told you what they were.
Which building was, and
That's
most
cool.
of them were bars.
Yeah, most of them saloons.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, my buddy would come down to these kind of things with his metal detector. Find old tools and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Sure.
What's up, guys? So we're going to be entering into the mines. Do a little hiking here. What are you going to do if you see a snake?
Ease back, make sure he's not rattly.
This is fucking intense, Bill.
What's that?
I said this is intense.
Yeah. It's like straight up almost.
Yeah,
And the loose rocks, you just slide back down a little bit.
I know. Oh, I slid down a couple times. Hey there.
Damn, that's gorgeous, man. Look at that 380, man. This is the one that you shot the other day.
Oh, yeah.
You locked and loaded already, huh?
That's just my little conceal. What's that?
You locked and loaded already?
It's safety's on.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
it's ready to go. One.
Ow, fuck.
Told you. Well, you know what?
Let's go this way.
I can't. Babe, how do I get in there?
Doesn't hurt right there.
You're lying.
It smells like piss.
Ouch. Can you just move it?
Go in that thing,
Use a
boy.
stick.
Smell it.
I'm gonna go around to where you guys coming out the same way we went in last time. Yeah, climb out or.
I don't know if this
Mike,
is
can
the
you
same
hold
one or
this way?
not.
Yeah, 'cause this is
Just
where they
go
came
right
out
there.
last
Try
time
to
we
stop
went in
making
there.
hurt you though.
Is it?
Ow! Ow!
Just go right
Oh,
there.
that's the desert spoon.
Ow!
That's what I'm saying. Go right there.
It fucking stinks. All right, guys, here we go. It stinks. Oh my god. I'm fucking scared. Well, I'm sure. Oh man, why does it smell like this?
I don't know, it didn't smell like this last time.
Maybe somebody's dead in
I
here.
think somebody's dead in here, an animal's dead in here.
Oh,
So just straight ahead, but there's all kinds of offshoots.
I think I got splinters on my hand.
If you look at history, the reason why we love doing this, because if you look at these things, just imagine how many freaking people just chiseled through this, through the 1800s, 1900s, to get to where we're at right now. And we're just walking in, taking it for granted. Freaking badass.
Get out of there.
Man, that doesn't
Look at that shit, it's steep AF.
Yeah, look at that shit. So that goes all the way down there.
And they have those two things holding it up. Those little two wooden things.
Insane.
What's
This
up
is cool.
here?
You like it?
Yeah.
It's like Indiana Jones. all over
So
again.
there's like an entrance there and one up here. What do they do with these mines?
So
What do they do in mining?
it was a big gold rush. So whenever you have a gold rush, people would migrate to towns and then start digging these caves to find gold. Because when you strike gold, it's like lottery back in the days.
So they had to like go through these tunnels and hide them?
Yeah, so like $1,000 was equivalent to like $1 million. In
Oh,
gold.
well, okay.
So what they'll do is they'll tunnel these and hopefully they would hit that gold.
This is scary.
Oh, no, Mom.
Oh my god.
This is fucking amazing.
They just like put these like
Damn,
wooden
this-
stuff
this
in there to
fucking
hold it
line
up.
goes deep.
Oh shit, dude.
Right.
This way?
Right there, yeah, I got ducked down.
Okay. Oh my god, this is scary because there's just one wood holding it up.
You want me to go first? You want to take a lead?
No. Hello? Is anybody in here? I am. There's fucking bats.
They won't mess with you. The bats won't mess with you. They're freaking smart. They got some really good. They got some really good eyesight. No, 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 no.
Na Batman. Hey, there's why is there railroad tracks here?
Because this is where they would haul out the coal or the freaking dirt or.
Whoa. Oh my god, it's gonna hit me.
These bats can see better than we can.
Hey, watch out, back coming at you. The disease that we're gonna get from their shit.
Ah! Don't scare me.
You guys said those.
Monkeypox got into the.
Yeah.
Now we're all gonna introduce batpox.
Oh gosh.
COVID. It turns left. Like one trail. It goes down there probably
That
another
was a shit ton of
a
bad.
little bit further.
Oh shit, holy
Isn't that
shit.
crazy?
Yeah.
One that turns left, one right. You got the rail.
That's the one you went down.
So which way do we go? This way?
You can go that way and you can actually get out just right up here, like
Okay.
50 yards.
No,
We were just turning around going back the same way.
All right.
Bats all around.
Oh my god, they're right there.
Whoop, there's some.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happens is like they don't bite, right?
No. Unless you let
Not
them
too
suck on
hard.
your neck, like that one right there.
Where?
On your neck.
It's right up there.
oh, where we entered at.
Who's screaming?
Michelle.
Oh, look at all the fucking things.
So there's a walkway up there.
You get pictures with that?
With this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that branch up there? That's how we got in.
Oh.
Oh, you guys just walk out?
Oh hell no.
We go
Hi-
up?
You're gonna go up there? You're gonna slide down.
Let me see how it goes.
It's pretty intense.
And then there's like wooden stuff.
Oh,
down
there's
there.
that sluice box.
Yeah. Don't go, hey, there's that, and not like say what it is right away. Because I'm like, is it a fucking rattlesnake on the back?
Yeah, I know. I would get scared too.
So we came down that branch. We scoochied on the branch.
Look how the colors on these things.
It's crazy, huh? There's probably some really nice rocks in here.
All kinds of different stuff.
Okay.
So they built this
Everything.
little thing here.
And back there, I think you can see the remnants of
see
the
that.
track where they had maybe
Oh,
a
there's a trail. Yeah,
What
there's
what
a
do they
path
call
up
this?
there.
Like a little rail or
Yeah,
something?
that's where they bring the water.
Water or is it the rocks?
No, water, because you can friggin' this is where you would, so whenever you were doing gold mining, you would need water to dust all the shit out.
Oh.
I don't think it was all gold though.
Yeah.
There's copper
Silver
ore.
and some other.
Just
friggin-
whatever you had, you would
Hey,
have
look at all the
those pans
stuff on
and
the.
Oh yeah.
somebody.
There's some
that's-
crystals way back here, pretty cool.
So there wasn't no Instagram or there was no Facebook back then. So whenever somebody said, "Hey, I found gold," everybody would rush to that location
Yes.
and then start digging.
Colors on them.
Yeah. Wow.
So cool.
I don't know if this camera's picking up the color, but this is
My
beautiful.
camera did good in here.
Gee.
Oh, the fuck? What was that?
I thought that was me.
Take your thumb and push this down. Over the safety lock.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
Was that a 9?
I'm scared.
Just pull it down.
What is that?
Babe,
Now all you gotta do is
right hand straight. Forward. You got this. Pop it. There you go.
Oh, that is pretty loud.
do it. You can do it if you want.
Sick.
Oh no.
Here, let me get that.
Another one.
Oh, damn, this is a fucking 45.
Yeah,
Let
you
me get your
gotta
headphones. Let me get your the headphones.
you gotta rack the slide.
Oh, okay.
Not one on top.
This is a
There's
45.
nothing in the pipe.
Oh. I'll just stand back here.
This 45 has a kick, huh?
Yeah. That is loud.
gorgeous.
Oh, I love that thing.
Thank you. Oh shit, hold on.
Oh, grab the bullet.
Oh, grab the bullet, Mike.
See how big that bullet is.
Yeah.
They
One
call
of
them
the biggest
flying
ones?
ashtrays.
It's like 357 or 45. This is where you're.
That's a 45.
Ooh, imagine that thing hitting you.
These are the
Jeez.
two biggest bullets that will fucking
What?
cause some damage.
Took the,
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it up on this side right here so I can hear you more. Is that better?
All right, Compton. Let's go. Let's do
Solid
this.
copy? Alright.